Sabi nga, you cannot give what you don't have. If you don't have care for yourself, how can you care for other people? Siguro yung mga nagbabash sa akin parang too good to be true yung generosity ko. Mahirap maglakad sa mundo nang ang dami mong bit-bit. Pag nag-meditate ka, kahit gaano kapangit yung araw, nagiging sobrang ganda.
Nasa bahay ka lang, nag-scroll ka na naman ng social media mo, tumutok at manood ka ng Evitalk Podcast at manalo ng 200 GCash prize. Itag ang 5 friends, react and share, at i-comment ang hashtag Evitalk Podcast. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Sali na! Isang magandang araw sa ating mga ka-Evi viewers na nanonood sa ating mga online platforms. My name is Miss Joycey. I'm here to inspire and make a big change in your life. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na panonood sa aming Evitalk Podcast simula pa ng 2022 up until now. Maraming salamat mga ka-Evi dahil season 2 na tayo at damang-daman namin ang inyong suporta. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Tumutok at i-share ang live na ito. Excited na ba kayo kung sino ang ating Evi guest for today? Alam ko, marami na ang nag-aabang sa kanya. Hindi ko na patatagalin pa. He is a man of vision and the founder of I Am Plus Coaching and the facilitator of I Am Plus. Let us all welcome Coach Ras Huson. Before, actually, Coach, etong Evitalk, parang mga staff yung mga nag-host. And then they told me na, ikaw na, ma'am. And then hindi talaga ako ganito. Pero when I tried it at first, sobrang parang nakaramdam ako ng, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na you're giving value at the same time, nagla-learn ka. So, di ba, actually right now, you're, nag-share ka ng experiences mo, mas natututo ako, di ba? Libreng coaching. Mga successful na tao na umuupo dyan.
Kaya tawag natin fulfillment.
Yes.
And natutuwa ko halos lahat ng karamihan ng mga guests mo, part din sila ng I Am Plus, no? So, nakakatuwa tignan na halos pare-pareho kami ng kanta, halos pare-pareho kami sinasabi because yan yung gustong marinig ngayon ng tao ng fresh eh. Hindi na uso yung magpakamatay ka, bigay mo lahat, ibuhos mo. Parang, para ano pa? Right? In the end, all we want is fun and play, peace, and joy. And what's taking us away is because we're running after this and that.
Oo. I really understand na, Coach. Kasi nung bumasok ako sa I Am Plus, yun talaga yung question ko, nagne-negosyo na lang ba talaga ako para lang tumulong? Andun naman yung pagtulong, makapagbigay ka ng sahod. But ako pala yung nauubos.
And I guess that's really important, no? Sabi nga, you cannot give what you don't have.
Yes.
So if you don't have care for yourself, how can you care for other people? If you don't have love for yourself, how can you love other people? And I guess that's where we want to start seeing people through. No, na karamihan kasi, ang definition natin ng pagmamahal is sacrifice.
Yes.
Hindi eh. Parang mali. Parang hindi tama. So, again, it has to be given to me first up until it naturally overflows. Kaya hindi siya pilit. Kasi a lot of people, no? Siguro yung mga nagbabash sa akin parang too good to be true yung generosity ko. Parang okay, let it be. Kaso lang, talagang umaapaw eh.
Oo.
Kung ikaw nabasbasan, very good. Kung hindi, then it has to be that way.
And also, ang laki talaga ng naitutulong ng I Am Plus sa maraming tao. Ano ba yung mission and vision talaga ng I Am Plus?
To heal humanity's wounds through love-infused world of transformation, which means it's really taking a look at everyone in this world is wounded. Kailangan natin tulungan silang mahil ito para maibigay nila yung kanilang mission at purpose sa buhay. Kasi mahirap maglakad sa mundo nang ang dami mong bit-bit
Yes.
na sugat sa puso. So, I think that's the first experience you have in our seminar, that you go out feeling healed, okay? And one thing I am sure, you've always been whole and perfect the way God created you. Except you just feel broken because of the trauma. And our job here is to heal our traumas.
Ibig sabihin pala, coach, yung pagiging lost and stuck ng isang tao is malaking tulong yung pagiging metaphysical approach coaching mo.
Oh, definitely, no? Sa totoo lang, yung taong sobrang maganda yung results nila sa buhay, especially in money, hindi na papansin nitong pinagagawa ko. Kalokohan to para sa kanila.
Yes.
Pero the moment umabot sila sa point na pera na lang meron sila at talagang wala ng peace,
Yes.
sagad na said na, then chances are, kasi wala nang ibang papuntahan, eto na lang. Ganon din naman yung mga tao eh. May kilala ka ba nang nagkasakit tapos siguro mga 10 doktor na, 10 hospital
Oo.
na hindi alam anong gagawin? Anong next lang pupuntahan? Yung mga mananambal, alam mo yun? Yung mga quack
Ano na,
doktor.
oo.
So lahat ng quack doktor, pinuntahan na. Wala pa rin nangyari. What's the last resort?
Sa Lord.
Balik.
Kay Lord.
Ba't hindi siya unahin?
Yes.
Ganon din naman tayong tao eh. Just like me, no? Yung yabang ko, akala ko, naging Diyos na ako ng buong mundo, sa mundo ko. Kasi kaya ko
Nakalimutan mo
pilihan
na
yan.
siya.
Oo. Parang hindi eh. And for me right now, I am in a space right now na parang irrelevant na yung kung meron mang dagdag sa buhay ko ngayon, pera, regalo, sasakyan, followers. I like it, but do I need it? No. Because I feel whole and perfect the way it is, to the fact that I know who I am. And I'm certain about myself that I am God's beautiful creation, and therefore, that's how I want to live my life. That I don't need anything outside of me, and all I want is just connecting to who I am, connecting to my source. This is the best part. When I do that, all of my heart's desires will just flow to me effortless.
Yun yung tinatawag na ease and flow.
Exactly. Yung bang
Kung
hindi mo
sana
na
lang
kailangan
dumarating.
pagtrabahuan,
Wala
Hindi
na
mo
masyadong
kailangan-
hard
hindi
work.
hindi mo na siya kailangan paghirapan, kusang lumalapad. Parang nakakita ka naman ng punong mangga.
Yes.
Yung punong mangga ba, para mamunga, kailangan niya mag-hard work?
Hindi na.
Kailangan strategic work?
Hindi.
Kailangan niya lang magpakapuno. Purpose niya, siguro, magbigay ng shade. Kung wala siyang bunga.
Yes.
Kung may bunga, di kaligayahan ng mga tao. Pero, if we don't live our purpose as human beings,
Yes.
and we keep on working and working and running and running and chasing, it will be a never-ending pattern of
Cycle.
emptiness. It's a cycle. And yeah, there's a solution. We have the solution. Are there other solutions? I don't know, but I'm certain 100% of our graduates sees a lot of solution in the word called I Am Plus. Kung sakasakaling Catholic ka, right? I would always say the work that you do, you become a better Catholic.
Yes.
So, which means I don't have any plans to, push my religion on you.
Yes.
And therefore, the only thing I have is love and respect. So, which means if you ask me what my religion is, love and respect. I was born and raised as a Protestant, Christian. Do I confess that I'm a Christian? I want to be Christ-like. Because there are a lot of choices in my life right now is not based on according to the Christian church.
Yes.
But perhaps the only way I want to live my life is all about respecting and loving people no matter what. Sabi nga doon sa Les Miserables, to love another person is to see the face of God.
Yes.
So which means I don't brand you as somebody who is this religion, that religion, but I'll see you as God who is in front of me.
Yes.
Who is willing to receive love and respect from me.
And also, we are here to be prosperous talaga.
Yun.
Sinabi naman talaga ni Lord yan sa atin. Pero papaano? So we need to work on ourselves talaga. Kasi yun nga, tayo yung, di ba nag-sacrifice din si Jesus para matanggal yung mga sins natin. And dahil doon, tayo na yung result. So,
Correct.
paano tayo magiging proof na yung si Jesus is nasa puso natin? Na tayo is nandito sa mundo to be a blessing to other people.
Yeah, ako simple lang, no? I think number one, if you really want to make sure that you glorify God, even if I don't preach about my own faith, even if I don't preach about my religion, I just want to make sure every time I show up, it's all about unconditional gratitude and unconditional joy and happiness no matter what. So which means, anong ganap dyan, pangit or hindi, parang okay, praise God. Good. God is good. One after the other of excitement in life.
Oo. Yun kasing, pag narinig kasi nilang meditation, pag-usapan natin meditation, parang ang awkward sa kanila. Pero, when you do meditate, you are giving gratitude, you are just feeling your stillness, na Lord, bahala ka na sa buhay ko.
Yeah.
And then, just absorb kung ano yung blessing na darating for you.
I think for me, no, if there's one practice na non-negotiable, I would go for kill. At panindigan ko, kahit patayin mo ako, na hindi mo maalis sa akin, is really my meditation practice. It's my highest form of being still for 1 hour. That whatever thoughts are showing up in my mind, surrender.
Yes.
But this is the best part. After my meditation, the whole day is just one creative action after creative action. That, I don't know if you notice, pag nag-meditate ka, kahit gaano kapangit yung araw, nagiging sobrang ganda.
Yes.
As a founder and entrepreneur, paano mo nababalanse ang spiritual and business side?
I don't really believe in balance. I believe in full integration. What does it mean? Okay? Your business or your work is never about your business or your work. It is just a perfect expression of your personal evolution. So which means when your focus is evolving yourself as a human being, which means your ultimate number one priority is your spiritual development, then you couple it with your growth, personal growth, heart set that is clear, health set that's part of your day-to-day thing, plus above all, being able to be good at what you do in terms of your career business, then you bring it to anywhere and everywhere you need. That's why, in the end, no, sa dami ng pinagagawa ko sa buhay, sa dami ng bakasyon ko, sa dami ng play ko, kaya kong pagkasyahin lahat. Kasi, ang ultimate priority ko is really to expand myself, my beingness, to a degree wherein kahit anong pwedeng ipasok ko, ipapasok ko.
Yes.
Most important part here is not time management because you cannot manage time.
Yes.
Tama ba? What you can manage is your commitment. Now, I only commit to what is a level 10 hell yes for me. What does it mean? Dari man nag-invite sa akin podcast tapos, alright, hindi siya level 10. And therefore, I apologize. Pag level 10, alright, I'll find means and ways to do something around it. Which means, if I only work on a certain degree, that everything that I do is just excitement, is just in full alignment of where I want to be, where I want to go, and blessing the entire world, then that's where the expansion comes in. So, therefore, I don't have problem in terms of nawalan ako ng time dito, nawalan ng time dyan. Kasi nga, masyado na-integrate ko na yung buong buhay ko sa lahat ng pinagagawa ko. Pero if there's one binding, no, activity na nagbigay sa akin ng endless capacity, capability, and really limitless in terms of what I do is still my 1 hour meditation every day. So Joycey, do not miss a single day. And therefore, kasi hodang malate ka na, magpasabi ka, alright, I woke up late, I'll be there an hour after because I still have to do my 1 hour meditation. Then, you're actually serving them well because you come in prepared internally.
Yes. Coach, paano yung iba? Sinasabi na nga nila, wala silang time. Hindi nila kayang mag-gym. kailangan naman talaga, di ba? And yun din, parang hindi nila ma-balance. Paano yung structure na may i-advise mo sa ating mga viewers para mas...
I guess, hindi ko pwedeng i-push yan sa mga taong gano'n ang pananaw sa buhay. Mahirap. Right? Not unless the price that they're paying right now of just hustling and hustling is too much.
Yes.
And they will raise their hand and say, I need help. Kasi ang hirap i-push yung isang pananaw sa buhay na for now, hindi naman niya yung priority mo. Klaro ba?
Tama.
Kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa motivation eh. Di ba? Parang ang dami mo ng motivation na papanood, iiyakan ka na. Hindi eh. You have to come to a certain degree that you decide for yourself. The moment you start deciding, all right, then seek for help. Get yourself into a certain level of new way of thinking, new way of doing things so that your life will have a new result. No? So, sa totoo lang, halos lahat naman ng, lalo pag business owners, kumikita ng malaki, lumalapit lang sa akin kung nasagad na nilang hard work, nasagad nilang strategic work, at wala nang iba mag-work, then, sige na nga, tignan natin kung ano ba yung pinagagawa ni Coach Russ dyan.
So, Coach, nakikita mo ba na yung IM Plus before is lalaking na katulad ngayon na as in, ano na siya, parang school of transformation, it's a community, and a global movement na kasi umaabot na kayo sa Dubai, sa iba't ibang bansa right now.
Actually, to be very open, hindi ko siya nakita na magiging ganito to.
Yes.
Kasi nga dati mano-mano eh. Parang gusto ko lang naman magsalita sa harap. Gusto ko lang mag-coach. Kaso lang pero yung tatawag ka isa-isa, tapos pabagsakan ka na phone, parang may bayad pala. Parang masyado na siyang mabigat at ayaw ko siyang pagdaanan. Right? Up until, eto na, nag-digital na ako, na nakita na yung message ko, na ako na yung pinupuntahan. So doon ako nagkaroon ng okay pwede, wow pwede. In fact, no, in the next 10 years, I can safely say, and I'm certain around it, that our organization will be the center of life and leadership transformation in the world. In fact, most of our investments right now are into centers. So we're putting up a wellness center wherein people can do their retreat, people can start resetting their life, no, in a setting wherein you're in front of Mount Banahaw, okay, in the middle of rainforest, and you eat healthy food, and you do your yoga, you do your workout, you do your cold plunge, and then we do our discovery breakthrough there in that center. So it's gonna happen this year, and that is something that we want to see and invite people all over the world. Kasi sa totoo lang, Joy Z, naka-attend na ako ng mga ganito rin sa ibang bansa. Masarap at maganda ang puso ng Pinoy.
Iba pa rin talaga ang mga Pinoy.
Iba.
Hospitable.
Iba. So, I'm sure this is gonna be the global center that everyone in the world, when they're tired of their life, okay, let's book a flight to the Philippines. Let's do a 1-week stay in 8 Alilio. To get ourselves healed personally, professionally, emotionally, and above all spiritually. A lot of healing that we want to see. Healing centers.
Yes. Actually, Coach, when I came from, parang the farm, are you familiar?
Yes,
Farm
San
trip,
Benito.
Nakausap ko yung staff doon. While walking kami. Ang sabi nila, yung mga princess daw noon, mga king, queens, pumupunta doon para maglakad ng nakatapak.
Yep.
Ano yung masasabi mo doon na mas magandang maglakad, connecting with the earth?
All right, we call that earthing. Okay, we call it grounding. In fact, the reason why, and there's a study, no, and you have to check it out in YouTube. It's called earthing.com. Kaya doon, maraming bata ngayon nagkakasakit, maraming matatanda nagkakasakit. By the way, Joy Z, for the past 50 years, I never remember getting sick. Okay? Because I see to it, I do grounding at least once a week. No? So if you see me in my farm, which I will be there on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and
That's
Saturday,
8
8
Alilio,
Alilio, the whole time nakapaa ako 24/7. So, yung height ng pandemic, no, lahat ng tao sa environment ko na tinamaan ng COVID, ako zero. Bakit? Kasi I'm one with my nature. Yun nga mga avocado doon, mga rambutan, di na nga nagka-COVID, di ba? Tao pa kaya. So, para sa akin, as long as I'm grounded, I'm connected to the nature, I'm connected to my creator, I'm well protected with my greatest healer. That is my God.
Coach, question. Nabanggit mo kanina, after how many years na na-establish mo si IM Plus, hindi siya nag-work for 12 years. Nag-work siya nung pandemic. Kung kailan nagkakaproblema, paano na? Di ba bawal nga yung interaction nung time na yun? Paano nag-operate ang IM Plus?
Okay. It's not that it did not work. Business-wise, it wasn't profitable. In fact, abonado pa ako. It was just my way of passion, excitement, and my contribution.
Yes.
No? So, nung pandemic,
Okay.
in one of my business, since stuck kami at kailangan ng mga team ko kumita, gumawa ng paraan up until they saw content creation. So, nung marami na sila nagko-content creation, pumunta na sa akin at sabi, Coach Ras, hindi ka na pwedeng magtago. Kailangan ka ng mundo. Sabi ko, ayoko yan. Sige na po. No? Una na lumuluhod sila sa akin. Naalala ko yung araw na yun.
Resist.
Oo. So, sabi ko, sige na nga. So basta, wala akong gagawin, magbubukas lang ako ng mouth ko at ayoko na may mga script. Gusto ko na may kumukover sa akin, tapos edit, ganun lang. So, lo and behold, na-hire si Jed, nag-put up ng social media, nag-put up ng, yun nga, yung page ko. Tapos sana, ang dami na nagme-message. Kung hindi po dahil sa sinabi nyo, baka namatay na po ako. Sabi ko, wow, ano to? Tapos yun, mayroon na akong everyday. Pandemic lockdown. May 4 a.m. akong meditation. Tapos pag 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., meron akong conversation with Coach Ras. Lumaki yung community. Up until now, meron pa rin tayong 4 a.m. meditation na maybe once or twice a week.
Kanina ako nakapasok doon. Actually, it's so good.
Diba?
Yes, kasi after I meditate, and then, meron pang sharing.
Oo nga.
So, while habang nagpapahinga ako, parang, nakakatuwa. Hanggang sa na-relax ako. Yun yung nangyari.
Hindi mo isang taon na kung nagkumukuda ng 1 hour a day. At to coach people, to even give people the light of na may pag-asa. And during that pandemic, minsan umabot yung room namin, 300, 500, nag-a-attend na sabay-sabay. Imagine 1 hour, gigising sila ng 3:45 para makapasok sa 4 to 5 a.m. Silent meditation. Bakit? Kasi by 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. sharing na, tapos marami akong coaching. And everyday, Joycey, suicidal. Everyday nawala na pag-asa. But every day, all I hear is from the worst story to right now, the most beautiful story. Simply because there's a space that they can feel they're well supported. But there's a space that they can feel they're well connected to their creator.
And also, Coach, yung IM Plus, ang dami nang natutulungan at kumakalat na talaga. So, di ba, nung pandemic, ayaw mo talagang mag-content creation. Pero it's an opportunity pala for you to be heard.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kasi hindi na gumagana yung ito lang, seminar style. So, andun yung opportunity, di ba? Yung pandemic, everyone sees it as a problem. Pero yun pala yung solution para marinig ka ng ibang tao at makagawa ng system na meron palang 5 a.m., let's do this. So yung idea mo na in-implement, nag-work siya and until now, working pa rin sa maraming tao.
Yeah, and right now we have a very active group in Dubai that they're doing their 4 a.m. there. So yung pagdating ng 9 a.m., dito sa atin, 5 a.m. doon. So, nakakapasok ako sa synthesis nila rin once in a while. So, nakakatuwa dahil sabik na sabik yung mga taga-Dubai at yung mga story doon na hindi mo ma-imagine dahil sa meditation, gumanda lahat ng buhay nila. So, nakakatuwa lang. Lumalaking community actually.
And also maganda doon na minsan ang hirap kasing turuan din ng sarili.
Correct.
Meron kang body system and meron ding magpupush sa'yo na community na let's do this.
Yeah, accountability,
Yes.
supporting one another. I think that's what we need the most eh.
So yun, Coach, di ba marami ka ng students na nag-transform ang lives. Meron ka bang student na hindi mo makakalimutan na grabe yung transformation?
Nako, sobrang dami dyan, no? Not only one, but a lot.
Suicidal na.
Mostly are suicidal. Mostly naubusan na ng pag-asa sa buhay. I cannot name one, but a lot.
A lot.
I mean, can you just imagine, Joyzy, no? On my way here, okay, I spoke to at least 6 people. Just hearing them out, giving them, my voice. From there, okay, coach, dahil dito, nabuhay po ako dahil dito.
Yes.
That's something that
Hindi mababayaran talaga, di ba?
I cannot let
Sobrang
go of this
sarap sa
work.
pakiramdam.
I cannot let go of this calling. So it's still. So right now, from here, I'm going to Cavite. That's 1 hour drive. So another 1 hour opportunity for me to again share my life to people who needs to hear me the most.
Yes. Pero totoo yan, coach. Hindi na talaga mabilang. And I'm part of it. Kasi meron akong classmate sa Abundance na parang share ko lang, siya yung taong sobrang blessed. Lahat, sobrang laki ng farm niya. And then one time, sabi niya, gusto niya nang magkaroon ng simple life. Yung, as in simple na kahit wala yung lahat na meron siya. So, nung umattend siya ng IM Plus, lahat ng programs na bago, mas ginanahan talaga. Kasi sobra pala siyang nag-work hard, nakalimutan na niya yung sarili. Kaya yung program niyo na ikaw naman muna, sa iba iisipin, yung selfish, di ba? Pero hindi nila alam na itong ikaw naman muna will help you to transform.
Yeah. In fact, para sa akin, yung the most selfish thing you can do is to put everyone ahead first than you. For what sake? Love me, approve of me, like me. So all you want is approval from people. All you want is people to be pleased by you. All you want is people to be happy because of you. And I think that's really selfish because all you want is just looking good. And I think that's the most selfish thing that people can do to make everyone ahead before themselves. The most giving thing you can do is when you start giving it all to who you are.
Yes.
And then it will just naturally overflow. At talagang siksik, biglig, umaapaw kasi hindi ka na nagwawala if people don't even love you back. Simply because you gave it because that's out of the abundance of what's in your heart.
Yes. Totoo yan, coach. Kasi hindi ka na nagsisik ng approval. Kung hindi man mag-give back sa'yo, okay lang. Kasi
Doesn't matter.
punong-puno ka na. Diba?
Daming ganyan, sa totoo lang, na nagtagal sa space ko, tapos nung nakuha lahat ng gusto, gumawa ng iba, tapos instead na magandang sasabihin, medyo negative pa, tapos babalik na naman kasi kailangan tulong. You know what? I'll still help them.
Yes.
Kasi kung ang paghuhusga ng mga tao nakapalibot sa akin na ninakawan ako, hindi ko naramdaman. You wanna know why?
Why?
Kasi yung naibigay ko, kusang umaapaw eh. So kung yung waterfalls, nakakita ka ng waterfalls, kung napunta doon sa tubigan, masasama ba ang loob niya? Napunta sa babuyan, napunta sa basurahan, doesn't matter because there's too many of blessing that you cannot afford not to give away. But how can you give away the blessing if you don't even bless yourself?
Yes. And that's the good thing with IM Plus sa inyo, sa community nyo. If hindi ka like kunyari, galing ka na, tapos na-experience mo ulit, bumabalik ka ulit sa dati mong routine, pwedeng bumalik-balik.
Non-judgmental.
Yes.
We're just here to welcome you back. We love
Walang
you.
bayad, diba?
Wala. I mean, in the end, that's how it should be.
Pero nasa yun na yung intention, kung babalik ka, or magsaserve ka, or you will give value na lang.
Saka the notice, the more you serve, it's not really you're serving, you're being served, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah. Today, I heard you did your huddle. Sabi ko, wow, pro. Ayos to, di ba?
Yes. And I also influence my team. Kasi parang nakita ko na kailangan din nila yung nakita ko. And wala pa akong capability para gawin sa kanila yun. Kasi I know, kaya hindi pa nila na ilalabas yung next level nila. It's because hindi pa sila ready. So, ang maganda lang na naging part ako ng IM Plus is the structure actually na sobrang ganda. Na very open ang community. Nasa sayo na lang kung i-apply mo.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng puro training. Nasa utak lang, naging seminarista na after the training, dun magsisimula on how you will apply it on yourself.
Agree ako dyan.
Diba? And coach, ano naman yung isang IM plus na affirmation na gusto mong sabihin sa mga listeners natin today?
If there's one thing that I want you to bring home, and maybe start claiming who you are every day, and maybe hold on to your hands and say, I am worthy. Sa Tagalog po, karapat-dapat ako, sapat ako, bilang isang anak ng Diyos. I am worthy.
Thank you, Coach Raz, for sharing with us your inspirational story na talaga namang kapupulutan ng aral at pag-asa ng bawat isa. Baka may gusto ka pang batian at i-promote.
Oh, you're welcome. And follow lang, RUSSJUSON. I'm actually active in Facebook. I also have an Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. No? So all of my videos are available to really support you in your journey.
Thank you so much, Coach Raz. Sobrang honored na nabigyan mo ng privilege ang Evie Talk Podcast na makapagbigay ng value sa ating mga listeners and viewers. And ayan, sa nanalo sa ating Pag-Gcash, abangan nyo na lamang sa aming Evie Talk Podcast page. I hope may natutunan kayo at na-inspired kayo, lalo na sa pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap. Again, my name is Miss Joycey. See you on our next Evie Talk Podcast Season 2.
Evitalk Podcast would like to thank the following: Evidence Health Beauty and Skin Essentials, MacJoy E-Commerce Corporation, J. Caprioli Designs, etc., Print Pinas Los Baños, Mugs Photo and Films, Speedway Business Solutions Corp., We Trade Innovation Solutions, Hello Eve, Germike Packaging Supplies Trading Incorporated, The Wise Owl Studios, Hisopos Global, Via Juana Distribution, Beauty Co., Miss Seed Beauty Lounge, Skin Amazing, Queen Boss Society, King Boss Club, Gig Sportswear, Manang Aneng, Presyong Kapatid, Komi, T&M Manufacturing Corporation, Buchan Manila, Divine Touch Makeup Artistry, RF Proactive Marketing Global Incorporated, Aura Beauty and Wellness, in partnership with Gutierrez Media Productions, Pinoy Extreme, Pasyal Tayo.